Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we are tackling a problem that I know drives a lot of WordPress writers crazy. If you love writing in Markdown but just hate, the whole process of getting it into HTML, then you are definitely in the right place. So let's just set the scene for a second. You've just written this perfect article, all clean and simple in Markdown. But now you have to go find some online converter, copy-paste, clean up the messy code it spits out, and then finally get it into the WordPress editor. It's just so clunky and it totally kills your writing flow, right?
Well, guess what? There is a much better way. In the next few minutes, we're going to walk through step by step how to set up the Bibcit Any2HTML plugin. We're talking a true one-click conversion, and you never even have to leave your WordPress dashboard.
Okay, let's dive right in. First things first, you're going to need an API key from Bibcit.com. Think of this as the magic key that's going to unlock all the power of this plugin.
See, the plugin itself doesn't do the heavy lifting on your server. Instead, it securely sends your text over to Bibcit's service to handle the conversion. That API key is basically what tells Bibcit, hey, this request is legit, it's coming from your website. And here's the really cool part, to get you started. The moment you sign up for your free account, they'll pop 5 free credits right into your account. That's plenty to test everything out and see just how awesome it is in your own workflow.
So what's a credit anyway? Well, it's pretty simple. Think of it like a token you use for one conversion job. Instead of a monthly subscription that you have to keep paying, you only ever pay for what you actually use. It's a pay-as-you-go system.
And what I love here is how upfront they are about it. For what we're doing with this WordPress plugin, you'll be using their massive mark service. And the math is easy. One single credit converts up to 10 kilobytes of text. To put that in perspective, that's like a 10-page document converted to perfect HTML for just 1 credit. All right, so you've got your API key ready to go? Perfect. Let's head on over to your WordPress dashboard and get this plugin installed and running.
Now, these first few steps are pretty standard if you've ever installed a WordPress plugin before. You just upload the folder, find it in your plugin list, and click Activate. Easy enough. After that, you'll see a brand new option pop up under your main settings menu. Okay, now this is the most crucial part of the setup, so listen up. You're going to paste that API key you got from Bibcit.com into the field and click Validate Key. Once you see that success message, you have to flip the main toggle switch to turn the converter on. And please don't forget to hit Save Changes.
Okay, so what happens if you do all that? You go to write a new post, you're all excited, and the converter box is just gone, nowhere to be found. Don't panic. It's almost always a super quick fix.
Just pop back over to the plugin settings page. 9 times out of 10, the issue is one of two things. Either the API key doesn't have that little green valid check mark next to it, or you forgot to flip that main enable toggle to on. Check those two, and you should be good to go.
And now, my friends, we get to the payoff. This is the fun part. Let's see just how ridiculously simple this makes your day-to-day writing. So once everything is set up correctly, this little box will just appear automatically on every single post and page you edit. It just sits there quietly, right below the main text editor, waiting for you to use it. And here it is, the moment of truth. This is literally all you have to do. You paste your Markdown text in the box, you click one button, Convert to HTML, and bam! It instantly converts it and injects that beautiful, clean HTML right into the WordPress editor for you. It is absolutely seamless.
So before we wrap this up, I want to circle back to that credit system for a second, because it's designed to be completely different from the subscription models we're all, frankly, a little tired of. This slide really breaks it down. With a normal subscription, you're paying every month or every year, whether you use the service or not. But with Bibcit's pay-as-you-go, you just buy a bundle of credits whenever you need them. And the best part? They never expire. Ever.
I mean, look at this. It's all about putting you in control. You buy credits once, use them whenever you want, this week, next year, it doesn't matter. And since they don't save your card details, you're only ever paying for exactly what you need when you need it. No funny business.
And that's really all there is to it. You follow these steps and you have officially built a powerful, seamless workflow that cuts out a huge point of friction from your writing process. No more external apps, no more copy-paste nightmares.
So I guess that just leaves one final question. When you take away all those little annoying interruptions from your process, just how much more time are you going to have to focus on the thing that actually matters, the writing itself?